1. Dalkhai is a popular folk dance that is performed to worship goddess Dalkhai Devi, a manifestation of goddess Durga. The dance is a group performance accompanied by a song and instruments such as the dhol, tasha, nishan, tamki and muhuri. 2. Kolattam is a traditional ancient dance that is often performed by women in groups. It is a harvest dance and is often performed during village festivals. It is also part of a religious offering where women pay homage to the temple goddess. 3. Ras Garba is a folk dance that combines the dances of Garba and Dandiya Ras. It is associated with the deities Durga and Krishna. It is commonly performed during Navratri, a festival that involves singing and dancing. 4. Bihu is a traditional folk dance that is a significant part of Assamese culture. It is performed in groups by young men and women. It is characterized by specific postures including movements of the hips, arms and wrists, as well as twirls, squats and bends. 5. Ghumar is a traditional folk dance that is performed by women, typically during special occasions like weddings, festivals and religious events. The dance involves moving in a circle with clockwise and anti-clockwise steps. 6. Nati is a traditional folk dance that is performed during festivals, weddings and fairs. The dance is performed in a circle with participants holding hands and moving in sync. 7. Tamasha is a traditional folk dance and theatre form that includes singing, dancing and other performances. It is influenced by many Indian art forms including Kabili, Ghazals, Kathak dance, Dashavatar, Lalit and Kirtan. Tamasha is performed by local or travelling theatre groups. 8. Kathi is a popular folk dance that is performed to the beat of a small drum-shaped instrument called a dhak, accompanied by a brass plate. The songs are ancient and historical and often tell the stories of great people such as Raja Harishchandra. 9. The Bhatukamma folk dance is a group performance by women in traditional pattu saris during the Bhatukamma festival. The festival is a celebration of womanhood and the flower goddess, Gauri Devi. The songs are weaved across the life events and celebration. 10. Gidda is a popular, energetic and colourful folk dance performed by women. It's often performed at social gatherings and festivals and is known for its feminine grace, elegance and flexibility. The most common instruments used in Gidda are the tumbi, chimta, kato and kartar. 11. Margam Kali is a traditional Christian folk dance that is performed by groups of women. It is performed in a circle and retells the story of Thomas the Apostle's life and missionary work. The dance is performed around a traditional lamp. Margam Kali is often performed at Christian weddings and church festivals. 12. Nautanki is a popular folk dance and operatic theatre form from India that combines music, dance, dialogue and narrative. It features humorous and entertaining storylines that blend folklore and mythological dramas. Nautanki often uses traditional Hindi-Urdu words. 13. Yakshagan is a traditional folk dance drama that combines music, dance, dialogue and elaborate costumes. It is usually performed at night in open-air venues and can last all night. In Yakshagan, stories from Hindu epics such as the Ramayana and Mahabharata are told through songs and dialogue. 14. Chakkai Attam is a folk dance where dancers hold wooden pieces between their fingers to create sound by shaking them. The songs that accompany the dance are usually about gods and goddesses. In this dance, 8 to 10 dancers stand in a circle or parallel line. 15. The Rangama is a traditional folk dance that represents the lives of warriors. The dance is performed energetically and sung in harmony with echo effects to create a happy atmosphere. They are often performed at social gatherings as a form of ritualistic entertainment. 16. Rauf is a traditional folk dance that is performed by a group of women standing face to each other. The highlight of this dance form is the footwork of the dancers. The dance is inspired by the movements of bees towards and away from a buck. 17. The Gaindi is a traditional folk dance that is known for its energetic move, acrobatic skills and rhythmic footsteps. Dancers perform in a circular formation, moving clockwise to the beat of local instruments like the dholak, chimta and mandar. They sing folklore and mount on 2 long bamboo sticks or other firm sticks. 18. Jhumri. Jhumri is a folk dance that is performed by married women. Performed during the Kartik month, Jhumri is a dance that celebrates the seasonal festivities and is considered auspicious.